So today we are going to unbox the mic stand which we have received from Flipkart. Let's see, last unboxing was the mic. I am not well from past few days or 1 week almost, so not deliver a video. I'm trying to stay consistent and trying to upload 1 video per week, but then because of the sudden climate change I was not well, viral fever and okay, so what do we have here? This is a professional recording microphone stand. Let's get rid of this. There are 3 parts which came in. First one is this cable clamp. The second one is the arm. And third one is this mic holder. So I will not require this. This already has the screw which goes inside that microphone. This will not be required because of we do have the screw fitting inside the microphone. So this is the table clamp, and this is the arm. That is fixed, and I'll have to simply insert this one here. We can put the mic here. We'll grab the mic first. And on this in here. Cool. So now it will do miracles. Only I know how to either sing or do podcasts. This is just a test video. Should we do the testing? I am so tempted to do the testing. We'll test. Let me grab my laptop. So lighting does make a difference. 3, 2, 1, go. Vallavre nakwahu, vallavre Rama. Vallavre nakwahu, vallavre Rama. मी ढोलकर 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 दर्याचा राजा. मी ढोलकर 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 दर्याचा राजा. Okay, so seems like I need to keep this laptop here while I'm recording, and that's how I can record sound here, can record video there and here, and yeah, pretty good setup. And lighting, few things, more things will come, decorative things, and then we'll be good to go. I'll need to buy a pop filter as well. So let's go. I'm pretty happy with the setup. If you want to know how much this setup costs, I'll make a different video. I have few more unboxings to do, and I'm feeling good because my fever is gone and I'm feeling good overall. So you can expect more videos. weeks. I have a target to put out a one video per week. See you in the next one. Much love.